Hey guys, just a quick review of the OFM Essentials Collection gaming chair. I just put it together, taped it, did a time lapse, I guess you call it. It took me about an hour or so to assemble a chair. So that's me. Um, so we're gonna go ahead and wheel in the parts here. This is what came in the box. As you'll see, it's coming in the frame here. That's my old chair. Um, Obviously, you can see I was in dire need of a new one. Yeah, there's no back to it anymore. It's just that. I sit on that, and it was literally destroying my lower back. So I decided to buy this. So here's the first part. No alphabetical order. This is part E, which is I guess the handle thingy. So you can lift the chair up and down. So you should have one of those. And don't worry, we'll have a list of all the parts too at the end of this part. So, and these are a bunch of like the screws, the wheels, and the stick thingy, the technical term for it, I guess, that holds the chair up. So that's good. Um, then coming next, we have, what is this? This is the back of the chair. It's actually not too bad, but I'll get into that later. This is back of the chair. And then it should come with the seat, which is right there. Actually, surprisingly comfortable seat. And I'm 5'11", by the way. So, I mean, 5'11", 230, 240. So, just give you an idea. That's the arm, obviously. It's the other arm. I like how they color code it. So, you know, there's two of them just by a glance. And then there's the base here, which I was actually really surprised about. It's really sturdy. Really heavy duty plastic. It's all plastic, but it's super duper. Like you can just fling that thing at someone, be pretty devastating. So those are all the parts. Should have all those in the box. Let's go. Let's do this. Oh yeah, I guess I probably should transition this right here. So these are the instructions coming up here on the left. You'll see circled in blue. Those are all the parts that I just showed in the prior video. Then we're going to go to step one here, which is attaching the wheels to the base and attaching the stick thingy to the base. So, parts H, G, and F. H, G, and F. Parts you need. So here we go. You probably need a knife too. Something to cut open stuff with. So assembling the wheels. That one right there came on. Came off kind of easily. I was kind of worried, so I took it off, put it back on. There goes stick thing. That's assembled. And step two is putting the lifter thingy on the bottom of the chair. So you need screws I and J, I believe. J go in the front, I go in the back. So we'll just take the seat out of the bag, and I use the bag as a way to keep the leather from getting scuffed on the concrete there. So we get I think those are our J's. We're putting those in front as per the instructions. And then you get the eyes out, and you can go ahead and, go and put those in there. So this is attaching the seat to the stick thingy. Just draw that on there. Boom. So attaching the arms. So this was a little tricky. Just watch my technique here. I actually had camera overheated actually. So, missed the last few minutes of that. So I got the first one on. Watch how I had to assemble the second one. This was kind of a pain in the butt. I don't know if I'm allowed to say butt on Amazon, but I did. So I kind of had to hold it in place and wrangle the chair at the same time to kind of get the screws in there. They aligned. They didn't thread in too well, but it worked. And this is the attaching the back part. So the back is actually comfortable. I was actually surprised. It wasn't too bad for a $99 chair. Trying to attach it though was a pain, like people were saying. But the technique I had to use here is you see how how I'm aligning the arms there. They're actually divoted so you can seat the chair. in, I guess. It'll make sense, but that's how I did it. So I struggle with it a little bit, as you guys can tell here. But overall, it was pretty easy to assemble. Chair is pretty comfy so far. I mean, it feels like I got what I paid for. And I think if you take care of it, it'll last for a while. So, guess that's really all I got to say about that. Thanks for watching.